What's up, hey, bro?
He touched. Hmm?
I don't know.
You don't know.
What you doing?
I don't know if he touched.
Trying to bite me. That's what you're gonna get. You're gonna learn the lesson for trying to bite me. Oh, man, you active today?
Cool.
Oh, this look like a new one. A new bearded dragon.
Can we get him?
No, boy.
No. I said I want a cat and I want a dog. There's a hamster. There's still a hamster. He's just like behind it.
Oh, the hamster's up top.
Yeah, there's a hamster right here in here. Look.
Bliggity, black, bliggity, bliggity. Bliggity.
This small.
Blick, black, bliggity, splash, smiggity.
Yeah, I don't want that though.
What the fuck
It's
is
a
that?
snail.
Where?
Oh, that's a snail? Oh, that is a snail. Y'all see this one right here. Gary!
Let me go deeper.
Gary!
Not here.
That's Gary.
Where's the iguana?
Go flip more.
Daddy.
Huh?
We have been fishing. Take me to
Them
the
small.
iguana.
What's small?
No,
It's right by the bearded dragon. They did what?
This
look, these.
Nightcrawler.
Look, there's a giant
It's right here.
fish.
No, you didn't. See?
Yeah? Yeah?
Hey.
It did. Look at that bird.
This thing stinks.
I
It
think
smell like
the...
straight dookie.
Where's the bird that echo?
Let me get out of here. Stinky.
Or did you fart?